Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, PayKickstart and Zoho Campaigns. So the use case here is, whenever a new sale is made in PayKickstart, automatically create contact in Zoho Campaigns. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So PayKickstart is a billing and affiliate marketing software, whereas Zoho Campaign is an email marketing software. The issue here is that these two software applications don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer the data from PayKickstart to Zoho Campaigns. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. So here I am at Google, and now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow right in your account. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have so many workflows already created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as PayKickstart to Zoho Campaigns. Okay, so now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in this workflow, we are going to integrate PayKickstart with Zoho Campaigns. So first here in Choose App, I am going to choose PayKickstart. So now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever a sale happens in PayKickstart, we want to create a contact in Zoho Campaigns. That is why transaction sales over here will be our trigger event. Now you can see we have various other trigger events available. You can select whichever trigger event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to click on transaction sales because this is our trigger event over here. Now you might ask me that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever a sale happens in PayKickstart, we want to create a contact in Zoho Campaigns. That is why transaction sales here in PayKickstart will be our trigger event, whereas adding contact in Zoho Campaigns will be our action event. So now here you can see a term called webhook URL and a URL displayed over here. Now you might again ask me that what is this webhook URL and how is it helpful for us? Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook URL helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy the webhook URL and we'll go and paste it inside the PayKickstart. That is our trigger software application. So you can read the instruction written over here carefully and you can just follow them. So the first instruction says log into your account. So I've already logged into my PayKickstart over here. Then navigate to left side bar campaign, select the product from drop down. Okay. So here you can see campaigns option might be somewhere. Okay, campaigns. So here you have to choose the product through which you are going to get your sales. So now here what you are going to do is here in show two products, you have to just choose one product and then you have to edit it. So here I am going to choose it as t-shirt and I am going to edit this product. Okay, so now here when you scroll down, you can see integrations option. So I'm just going to click here. Okay. So here what you have to do is you have to paste your webhook URL here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a webhook URL from here. Okay. So here I am going to paste the webhook URL that we got from Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to copy it from here. I'll go back and I am going to paste it. Okay. So now here I am going to select transaction sales. That is this one. Okay, so we have added this webhook over here. Now I'll just save it. Okay, so we have successfully added the webhook inside the product. Now I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to click on capture webhook response. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to do a sale in PayKickstart. So I'll go back to my PayKickstart, and if you just go back, I am just going to open this. I'll take the link from here and I'm going to open it in new tab. Okay, so first name is going to be Gary Monroe. Email is garymonroe677@gmail.com. Next step. Okay, so here I am going to use this in test mode. That is why I don't have to do any payment. India. Okay, fine. Address. Phone number. Next step. Okay, I'll just complete the purchase. Okay, so you can see thank you for your purchase. That means I've successfully done a sale over here in PayKickstart. Now I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, waiting for webhook response. Okay, so you can see Pabbly Connect has captured the data. You can see the amount is here, the address is here. You can see the buyer name is here, the buyer email is here. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration. Now I'm just going to click on save. Okay, so here we have successfully integrated PayKickstart with Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to integrate Zoho campaigns with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And here I am going to choose Zoho campaigns. That is this one. And now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new sale happens in PayKickstart, we want to add contact. Now that is add or update subscriber. Now you can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I am going to click on add or update subscriber because this is our action event over here. Now I'm going to click on connect with Zoho campaigns. Okay, so now under credentials, you have two options. Either you can create new credentials by connecting with Zoho campaigns, or if you have any existing credential, you can choose from there. So here I don't have any existing credentials. That is why I am going to let it be new credentials. And now I'm going to connect with Zoho campaigns. So here you just have to enter the domain. So if I go back to my Zoho campaigns, you can see that is zoho.com. That is why I am just going to write the same. That is this one. I'll just paste it. Done. I'm just going to accept it. You don't have to worry about your data. Pabbly Connect never take risks with your data. Okay. So now you can see we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our webhook response that we have got. So we just have to map these details. So first is list. So it is asking us that in which list do you want to add the contact or the subscriber. If I go to my Zoho campaigns, I'll show you. So you can see I have this list called first list. So if you want, you can also create a new list, but here what I'm going to do is I'll let it be first list itself. So now I'll just go back and I'm going to let it be first list. Okay, first name, let us map the name. We have the name with us. Gary, last name, Monroe, email. Okay, company name, phone number. Yes, we have the phone number. Website, address, city, country. Okay, now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see in our API response, we have got this message. A confirmation email is sent to the user. User needs to confirm to successfully subscribe. Okay, so I've already opened the email of this customer and you can see we have got the subscription confirmation mail over here. So what you have to do is you have to first confirm the subscription from the mail. Only then you can add the subscriber or contact in Zoho campaign. So when I clicked on this confirm subscription, I got this message that is, you are all set now. Thank you for joining our mailing list. Check your email periodically for our newsletters and other updates. Okay, so now when I go to Zoho Campaigns, you can see Gary Monroe 677@gmail.com is over here. If I click on it, let us see. You can see Gary Monroe, you have number over here. If you come down, okay, do we have any other details? You can see pay kickstart sale. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my pay kickstart and I'm going to make a new sale over there. Okay, so now I'll click on this campaign option over here. And here in show one funnel, I'm just going to copy the link and I'm going to open it in new tab. Okay, so here I'll just change the details. So here I am going to write Hamis, last name Casper. The email is casperhamis987@gmail.com. Now I'm going to go to next step. So here I am using this in test mode. That is why I don't need to do any payment. So I'll let the address be same. Okay, fine. Phone number. Next step, complete purchase. Okay, so you can see we have successfully made a purchase over here by Hamis Casper. You can see we have done a payment of 149. Okay, so now it is time to go back to our mail and then we have to confirm the subscription. So I'll go to the mail of this customer, that is Casper Hamis, and here this is not the confirm subscription mail. So let us go to our spam and check if we have a mail over there. You can see confirm your subscription. So I'm just going to confirm the subscription. So you can see you are all set now. Thank you for joining our mailing list. Okay, so we have successfully confirmed our subscription. Now let us go to Zoho Campaign and check if we have created a new subscriber or contact there or not. So I'll go to Zoho Campaigns. I'm just going to refresh this page once. So you can see casperhamis987@gmail.com is over here. You can see we have the details over here. You can see the joint date. And if I go to associated list, you can see pay kickstart sale. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. I'll just minimize this. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Pay Kickstart to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Zoho Campaigns. So now every time a new sale transaction happens in Pay Kickstart, automatically a subscriber will be added or updated in Zoho Campaigns. So we have successfully finished the integration of Pay Kickstart and Zoho Campaigns using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.